Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Seltos. The Kia Seltos is sure to stand out with its appealing front end. Additionally, the Seltos offers a robust number of interior features and a large amount of space for a small SUV. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.